Yes, certainly it's a very welcome start to the week. So we had the surprise outcome in Australia and then an inline outcome in India, but nevertheless, both of them are market friendly. But really what I think we need to be focusing on actually is what happened over the weekend. And here in the United States, it became clear that the United States will not be putting punitive tariffs for the next 6 months on European and Japanese car exports and auto parts. That's a really important milestone and a long-standing issue. It's been a great concern for the Europeans and the Japanese, and to have that put onto the back burner, I think is very welcome for financial markets.
Let's talk about the other big story. Of course, the latest on the trade front. We still continue to wonder whether or not we will see any deal signed off between the US and China when it comes to the G20 meeting taking place in just a few weeks from now. You suggest that markets perhaps and investors are being a little bit complacent to some of the risks out there associated with those ongoing discussions. China markets on the back foot today. We've seen the yuan weaken to its lowest point since December again. So what's your outlook for the China markets?
I think unfortunately we're sort of stuck in a bit of an awkward holding pattern between now and June 28. It's clear, or it has been signaled, that there will not be any meaningful conversations between the United States and China up until then. So really we're just sort of going on tweets and sort of lesser sort of indicators or sort of stories between now and then. So I think that's a bit of a challenge. But I think really the big issue is, will the United States be putting tariffs on the remaining $325 billion approximately of Chinese goods that go from China to the United States, which are currently not being tariffed? And I think, you know, the baseline view from the market, which might explain some of this, what some people are calling complacency, is that it's not going to happen. But I think with every passing day, we have to get used to the idea that, in fact, it could actually occur.
Hey everybody, it's Hadley Gamble from our new CNBC Middle East Bureau in Abu Dhabi. Thanks for stopping by. Now, to watch more, you can try one of the videos that just popped up on your screen. And don't forget to subscribe.